Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Anywhere.
I am Jaxysn.
And today we're going to start the day with powerful English affirmations. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and believe every word you say. These affirmations will help you improve your English, build confidence, and create a positive mindset for the day. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Beautiful day to learn English. I am excited to improve my English every day. I learn English a little more each day. My English skills are getting stronger. I enjoy learning new English words. I am becoming a confident English speaker. I can understand English better every day. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake helps me learn. I speak English with confidence. I believe in my ability to learn English. English learning is becoming easier for me. I enjoy practicing English every day. I am proud of my progress. My listening skills improve every day. I understand more English than before. I can express my ideas clearly. I am patient with myself. I am growing stronger every day. I learn English at my own pace. I enjoy speaking English with others. My vocabulary grows every day. I remember new words easily.
I celebrate every small success.
I believe in my potential. I can achieve my English goals. I stay consistent with my learning. Every day is a new opportunity to improve. I enjoy learning through listening. I enjoy learning through speaking. I enjoy learning through reading. I enjoy learning through writing. I am dedicated to my growth. I make progress every day. I learn English with enthusiasm.
I am becoming fluent step by step. I am improving with every lesson. I am confident when I speak English. I can communicate effectively. Learning English is part of my daily routine. I stay motivated to learn. I enjoy every step of my journey. I listen to English every day. I understand more conversations each day. My pronunciation improves every day. I can speak clearly and naturally. I am building strong English habits. I stay positive while learning. I can learn anything I practice. I am focused on my goals. I enjoy challenging myself. I am becoming a better communicator. I am confident when I use English. I learn from every experience. I am open to learning new things. English helps me connect with people. I enjoy discovering new expressions. I can understand English movies better. I can follow English conversations. I am becoming more fluent every day. My confidence grows with practice.
I trust the learning process. I am becoming more comfortable with English. I can understand English speakers better. I enjoy practicing new phrases. I am proud of my dedication. I am building confidence daily. I stay committed to my goals. I can communicate with confidence. I enjoy using English in daily life. I am becoming more fluent with practice. I learn something new every day. I stay curious and motivated. I enjoy expanding my vocabulary. I can speak English naturally. I am improving faster than before. I stay positive and focused. I enjoy learning from my mistakes. I am creating a brighter future. English opens new opportunities for me. I believe in myself. I am capable of great progress. I enjoy my English journey. I can achieve fluency. I am confident in my abilities. I stay motivated every day. I am becoming a stronger learner. I learn English with joy. I embrace every opportunity to practice. I am proud of how far I have come. I speak English with courage. I learn English with confidence. I am ready for new challenges. I am growing every day. I trust myself and my abilities. I enjoy learning and improving. I am becoming fluent day by day. I am creating success through practice. I am grateful for this learning journey. Today, I choose to learn, grow, and speak English confidently. Amazing job. Thank you for practicing these affirmations with me today. Remember, confidence grows when you practice consistently. Listen to these affirmations every morning and repeat them out loud. The more you listen, the more natural English will become. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Don't forget, English is not just something you study, it's something you live. This is Jaxysn from Speak English Anywhere. Have a wonderful day, keep learning, and keep speaking English anywhere. See you in the next video.
Speak English Anywhere.